Given the fuel charges for running a train are proportional to the square of the speed. So let us consider the cost as a C is proportional to square of the speed. So let us consider S square here. That is C is proportional to S square. So we can write C is equal to some proportionality constant into S square. To find the proportionality constant, let us assume that it costs 48 per hour. So 48 is equal to K into, and for 16 miles per hour it is, so 16 square. So we can say K is equal to 48 upon 16 into 16. So 16 3 times 48, so K is equal to 3 upon 16. So we can write the cost of the fuel charges as C is equal to 3 upon 16 into S square. And now the total cost including the maintenance charges. So we can write total cost C, capital C, let us consider, is equal to 3 upon 16 into S square plus 300 is a fixed charge per hour and into the total time, and we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So let us assume that the distance to be x upon s. So we can write here into x upon s. So we can write C is equal to 3 upon 16 into s into x plus 300 upon s into x. Now we need to we need to minimize the cost. So let us consider differentiating dc by ds, which is equal to 3 upon 16x, and differentiating s is 1 plus 300x into differentiation of 1 upon s is minus 1 by s square, and for minimum we have to consider equal to 0. So that is dc by ds is equal to 3 upon 16x minus 300x upon s square, or even if you go double differentiation, d square c by ds square is equal to, and here we can write minus 300 by 300x into minus 3 upon s power 3, minus 2 into s square, no? So here we can write 600 x upon s power 3, which is always positive. And now for minimum cost, dc by ds is equal to 0. So which implies here 3 upon 16 minus 300 upon s square is equal to 0. So 300 upon s square is equal to 3 upon 16. So here 300 times. So s square is equal to 16 into 100, or s is equal to 4 into 10, 40. So to get the minimum cost, we need to maintain the speed as 40 miles per hour. So we can go with an option D, that is 40.